good day, and welcome back to Issues in Education at EdSpaces 2019. Here with Steve Samickanu to talk a little bit about what they're doing to revolutionize cafeteria spaces all over the country. Thanks for being here.
Well, thank you for having me, Bob.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about what you do and how your company is supporting the mission of students and teachers.
Sure, absolutely. I'm the general manager at AMTEP. We're located in Bensenville, Illinois. And
Where do I find that city?
It's right next to O'Hare Airport, right next to Chicago.
Sounds good.
So Chicagoland, Metro Chicago.
All right.
And we're very happy to be here. So thanks for having us.
Yeah.
I'm also part of Ed Market leadership team. So we really appreciate Issues in Education being here as well. So thank you for that opportunity.
You bet.
What we do as a company is we've seen a huge trend in the educational space to modernize the classroom space.
Yeah.
A lot of different types of learners. So we bring colors, shapes, sizes into the classroom. The one place that we specialize and focus in is the student cafeteria space.
Okay.
So we really modernize and create high-impact student cafeteria spaces. What does that mean? We have a lot of branding and logos, a lot of flexible furniture, different heights, different types of usages, and we also do the wall decor and interior signage there as well. We've seen breakfast programs and lunch programs increase by an average of 15 to 20% participation. And the nutrition directors across the country are really taking on to AMTEP for this reason. The other side of things is traditionally the cafeteria space has only been used for breakfast and lunches.
Right.
So it's about 2 hours to 3 hours a day. So as we've all been asked to do more in our spaces, we create furniture and learning environments in that student cafe space where the administration and the teachers can use it during those off times as well, for curriculum, for other gathering type events, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, and sometimes it's the largest space in a school.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's the least modernized, like you guys. And then oftentimes kids don't want to be in there.
Right.
I mean, I can't tell you how many times I'm in a school where kids are saying, that's gross in there, it smells in there, I don't want to be in there, it's loud in there, whatever that is. It's great to see that someone's found that piece of the space design and have really dug in. So one of the things I'm always wondering is where have you seen success? Where have you seen a school that has put your product in place and it's really transformed what has happened?
Sure. So AMTEP is a national company and a global company. So we've done projects across the world. One particular one that I like to highlight is Fletcher High School in Neptune Beach, Florida. So they called us in. We did the full furniture decor package. We optimized that space, and we've seen participation in the nutrition services program go from 250 students to 350 students.
Wow.
And they've also using that space for school district events, which is off school times, and teachers and administrators use that space during those off times to run events and meetings and also some curriculum related events as well, maker spaces and so forth.
Yeah, I can tell you that one of the things that drew me into the exhibit hall was the work you guys put back there. I walked back, people were back there eating, but I was like, what's going on back here? This is just a different feel. What really is the trend? What are you seeing happen beyond? Where do you think this is going to go? How is that working for your company? Where are you guys seeing 3 or 4 years down the road?
Right. So that space is, Bob, I grew up on walnut tables that are long, rectangle, and basically it wasn't as an appealing space as it could have been.
Yeah.
We got in there, 15 minutes later we would leave, and we'd be lucky if we finished our lunches.
Yeah.
That whole space is changing. The trend is mixed heights, so standing height as well as seating height. We've seen different shapes, different colors. Soft seating has also been introduced into that cafeteria space. So we are the leaders in this space to bring all that innovation 3-5 years down the road. What I see is more modular furniture in there, more makerspace furniture in there. And so that's what we are creating at AMTEP, is these high impact learning environments also in that student cafeteria space.
Yeah, and so some janitor is thinking today oh no. I know how to put tables away. I know how to do this. Reassure our folks that are doing the cleaning that when your product comes, it's actually a value add for them.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I just came out of a meeting with Baltimore County.
Okay.
And we had a great visit together, and they have obviously well-experienced staff and their team, done it for a long, long time. And they really appreciated all the different modular, flexible, mobile features in our products.
Nice.
Everything is mobile, locking casters, easily portable, So that's how we address that situation with the staff that's taking care of that space.
Yeah, and that's awesome. I mean, as a student thinking like, hey, can I go into the cafeteria with my friends and work on this project? And a teacher saying like, yeah, it'll be fine.
Right.
We have all of these things available. I just think it opens up a whole level of possibility for teachers and principals to think differently about the work.
Absolutely, yes it does. And that's why at AMTAB we're very excited to be part of it.
Awesome. One more question. This EdSpaces conference, it continues to grow. It continues to get more robust.
Sure.
It's great to be here with this. What do you think is the essence of this conference?
Right. So I'm very involved with the leadership at EdMarket, and what we specialize in is bringing space, technology, and pedagogy. This is the intersection of all three of those. We really want to drive that into the market, particularly to impact learning environments.
Yeah.
So we will continue the trend of bringing furniture manufacturers, decor, everything that has to do with the environment, and everything that has to do with the curriculum and the technology. You can't ignore technology nowadays. It's incorporated into everything that we do. And continue to bring the architect and design teams to this place, along with the administrators and teachers as well. So this is going to be the conference, the show, for all of us trying to move education forward.
Yeah, and we're well beyond a show for desks and chairs.
Yeah,
we are well beyond that. So thanks for all you do with leadership, and really excited to hear about your product and let the world know what you guys were up to. So
Bob,
thanks for being here.
Bob, thank you so much,
Thanks.
and thank you so much to Issues in Education as well.
Thanks for being here.